Good morning, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about lymphocytic postpartum thyroiditis. Lymphocytic infiltration of a thyroid that results in a small painless goiter that is self-limited. Okay. It goes through hyperthyroid, euthyroid, then hypothyroid, then euthyroid, and recovered on its own. This is lymphocytic postpartum thyroiditis. Symptoms: no pain, often TSH and radioactive iodine uptake need. Diagnosis by low TSH, low RAI, radioactive iodine uptake, and high TSH, low radioactive iodine uptake. Differential diagnosis by Graves' disease. In Graves, we see high radioactive iodine uptake. And how to treat? If patient in thyrotoxicosis, then you have to give beta blocker like propranolol. That's all about this, and this is a very self-limited condition. So guys, hope till here it's clear for you. Have a good day and goodbye. If you still not subscribe my channel, subscribe it. And if you like this video, put like on it. And if you have any queries, any comments regarding this, you can ask me. Thank you, good day and goodbye.